1. Attention all classic truck enthusiasts. I am excited to present this 1985 Toyota regular cab pickup truck, currently up for sale for just $4,500. This truck has been driven for 246,000 miles. But don't let that deter you. It has a manual transmission and runs on gasoline, making it a reliable and efficient workhorse. The exterior of this truck is a beautiful blue color, which is complemented by the blue interior. The bucket seats have been replaced with ones from a Honda Prelude and are in great shape, adding a unique touch to the truck's interior. One of the standout features of this truck is the new rear driveshaft and fuel pickup tube and sending unit, which have been recently installed. The axles are currently geared differently, which could make for an interesting project for someone looking to modify the truck. The seller notes that this truck has all the bones to be a great project or just a good work truck, making it a versatile option for anyone looking for a reliable vehicle. It comes with 4 newer tires, or the buyer can opt for a set of BFG 39s if they are looking to build a more off-road capable vehicle. The title is clean and in the seller's name, so you can rest assured that you're getting a truck with a clear history. Whether you're looking for a reliable work truck or a fun project vehicle, this 1985 Toyota regular cab pickup truck is definitely worth considering. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 2. Do you love classic cars? Then you can't pass by this 1969 Ford Ranchero, currently listed for sale at $8,000. It's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of American history on 4 wheels. This 1969 Ford Ranchero has a classic white exterior and an interior that screams retro. It's the perfect example of how functionality and style can blend seamlessly. This Ranchero features a gentle customization, equipped with a 250 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The seller has stated that many parts of the car are new, and they are willing to provide additional information upon request. Although the car needs a carburetor installation to start, it's a minor issue that a classic car enthusiast can easily address. Moreover, it's a great opportunity to add your unique style and make this car even more special. If you're looking for a classic car that not only stands out on the road but also holds historical value, then this 1969 Ford Ranchero is the perfect choice. Don't miss the chance to become the owner of this legendary vehicle for a relatively modest sum. 3. If you're looking for a classic truck that not only stands out on the road but is also a reliable and functional vehicle, then this 1979 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab is the perfect choice. It's being sold for $4,500. This truck features a classic orange exterior and a brown interior, creating a unique atmosphere. It is equipped with a 3-speed manual transmission and a 250 cubic inch engine. The seller has stated that the vehicle is fully paid off and has a clean history. This means you won't have any issues with registration or obtaining insurance. The truck is in good condition and doesn't have significant damage or problems. However, the seller mentioned a few minor issues such as rust on the driver's door, rocker, and exhaust system. Additionally, they noted that the car needs a new carburetor and a new exhaust manifold. The old one has a crack, but the seller is willing to include it. Despite these issues, the truck has a clean interior and new front shocks, making it a comfortable and reliable vehicle. Moreover, the seller will provide you with the keys and the vehicle title. If you're looking for a classic truck that not only stands out on the road but also has historical value, then this 1979 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 regular cab is the perfect choice. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this legendary vehicle for a relatively modest sum. 4. Check out this stunning 1983 Chevrolet El Camino, now available for sale. With a sleek black exterior and a fresh blue interior, this classic car is sure to turn heads. The El Camino has been driven 130,000 miles, but don't let that deter you. All running gear and components are brand new, including a 383-stroker all-roller engine. The automatic transmission is also brand new, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. The seller has taken great care to restore this El Camino to its former glory. With all new stainless steel exhaust all the way to the back, complete with Flowmaster mufflers for that classic muscle car sound. The car has also been completely rewired from bumper to bumper, ensuring that all electrical components are in top working order. This El Camino is a true gem, and it's clear that the seller has put a lot of time and effort into restoring it. With its powerful engine, smooth transmission, and classic good looks, this car is sure to provide many years of enjoyment for its new owner. And with a price tag of just $8,500, it's an affordable way to own a piece of automotive history. Don't miss your chance to own this beautiful 1983 Chevrolet El Camino. 5. Feast your eyes on this beautiful 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Coupe Deluxe, now available for sale. This stunning car has been fully gone through and is in excellent condition. With a 235 straight-six engine that has been bored 30 over and features new gaskets, seals, pistons, reins, bearings, water pump, fuel pump, and more. The seller has taken great care to ensure that this car is in top working order, with a 12V conversion that includes an HEI distributor, alternator, gauges, and battery. The car also features brand new radial tires, a new clutch, new master cylinder, wheel cylinders, shoes, soft lines, and drums that have been turned. And with 4 new shocks and a new radiator, you can rest assured that this car will provide a smooth and comfortable ride. But it's not just the mechanics that make this car special. The exterior is a gorgeous two-tone blue and white with chrome accents that sparkle in the sun. The interior features comfortable bench seats and a classic dashboard that will transport you back in time. The best part? You can drive this thing around town all you want, and it cruises nicely at 50 miles per hour. And don't worry about overheating. This car has been tested in 105* weather and performs like a champ. With a price tag of just $8,000, this 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Coupe Deluxe is an affordable way to own a piece of automotive history. The seller can provide extensive photos of the restoration process from day one, so you can see the care and attention that has gone into this car. Don't miss your chance to own this beautiful classic. 6. Take a look at this classic 1983 Oldsmobile Toronado, which is currently available at an attractive price of $7,400. This coupe has a mileage of 66,370 miles and offers a very smooth ride. The body of the car is in close to perfect condition, with only a minor 1-inch scratch on the door and a very small dent on the hood that can only be seen upon close inspection. Unfortunately, the windshield wiper switch on the steering column needs to be replaced, but this is an easily fixable issue. The air conditioner worked well until last fall, but it is currently not functioning. It may be related to a lack of freon, but this needs to be confirmed. This Oldsmobile Toronado is perfect for collectors, enthusiasts of classic cars, or anyone who wants to have a reliable and stylish vehicle. Don't miss the opportunity to become the new owner of this fantastic car at such an attractive price. 7. Introducing the classic 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme with a V8 engine of 260 cubic inches. This car has only 79,000 miles and is in excellent condition. The automatic transmission works seamlessly, and the red interior paired with the burgundy exterior creates a unique and elegant look. This car is fully paid for and comes with a clean history. It has no significant damages or issues and has recently been serviced with the installation of new spark plugs, a battery, and more. Additionally, it features a cold air conditioner and functioning power windows. Despite being in great condition, there are a few minor defects to note. For example, it lacks a radio and a seat belt, and there's a small crack in the windshield and a minor radiator leak. However, these issues are easily fixable and won't affect the overall condition of the car. In summary, this 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is an excellent choice for classic car enthusiasts. It boasts a unique style, reliable mechanics, and good overall condition. Purchase it now for $5,800 and enjoy the ride in this wonderful automobile. 8. Take a look at this wonderful 1972 Ford Ranchero, which is listed for sale at $10,000. This classic car has only traveled 300 miles since its last repair and is in excellent condition. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. This Ford Ranchero is equipped with the original 302 cubic inch V8 engine, which runs like new. The seller has taken great care to keep the car in perfect condition, and it has received a new paint job, a new mechanical fuel pump, new stabilizer linkages, new shocks, and new tires. Additionally, it has a clean history and a clean title, ensuring you won't have any document-related issues. Inside the car, you'll find a beautiful blue interior that perfectly complements the external white color. All systems in the car work properly, and it has no significant damages or issues. This 1972 Ford Ranchero is a rare find for classic car enthusiasts, and it's perfect for those looking for a reliable and stylish car for city driving or participating in classic car shows. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this fantastic car today. 9. Introducing this fantastic 1971 Chevrolet Impala Coupe, listed for sale at $18,000. This classic car has undergone a meticulous restoration and is equipped with new components to ensure maximum reliability and comfort. The Impala Coupe features an automatic transmission and a powerful 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 350 transmission. While the car needs some tuning and a carburetor replacement, it already comes with new components such as KA1 adjustable coilover suspension and tie rods, a new American wire harness, new front and rear brakes and rotors, power steering pump, fuel pump, belts and generator. Additionally, the car comes with a new metal radiator grille in the box, belt moldings, and skirts. It requires some bodywork and painting, as well as the installation of new wheels, but after these tasks, it will be ready to hit the road. This 1971 Chevrolet Impala Coupe is a rare find for classic car enthusiasts and is perfect for those seeking a reliable and stylish car for city driving or participating in classic car shows. Its beautiful blue exterior and comfortable interior create a unique blend of classic style and modern comfort. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this fantastic car today. It's already equipped with new components that ensure its reliability and durability, and after some minor repairs and painting, it will be ready to drive. Contact us today to learn more about this unique automobile. 10. Introducing a true classic, the 1961 Mercury Comet, listed for sale at $6,500. This red beauty has only 41,418 miles and is in excellent condition. The automatic transmission operates flawlessly, and the 302 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine with exhaust headers ensures not only reliability but also driving pleasure. This car is fully paid for and comes with a clean history confirmed by a clear title. It has no significant damage or issues and is ready to hit the road right away. The seller has meticulously serviced this car, replacing many components to ensure its flawless operation. Among other things, they installed a new fuel tank, new front shocks, new brakes, new steering cylinders, a new distributor, new radiator hoses, and new belts. This Mercury Comet is the perfect choice for classic car enthusiasts who appreciate quality and reliability. Don't miss the opportunity to become the owner of this true road legend.